In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed image in Outlook Mail. Getting an image to appear right inside the body of your message makes your email easier to read and more professional than sending it as an attachment. Here's exactly how to do it, step by step, with a few tips to make it look just right. Start by opening a new email message in Outlook. You can use the New Email button in the toolbar. Once the blank message opens, click in the message body to place your cursor exactly where you want the image to appear. If you want the picture on its own line, tap Enter once or twice first, then click to set the insertion point. Next, go to the Insert tab along the top ribbon. This is where Outlook keeps tools for adding items to your message. In that tab, click the pictures icon. It's the small landscape thumbnail. This tells Outlook that you want the image to appear in line, not as a separate attachment, so your recipients see it right in context. You'll be asked where to pick the image from. Choose this device to browse a file saved on your computer, stock images to use built-in visuals, or online pictures to search the web. Select the file you want, then click Insert. Outlook will drop the image exactly where your cursor was, so you can type around it before or after as needed. Keep in mind that images from the web should be licensed for use. To adjust how big the picture appears, click once on the image to select it. You'll see small circles on the corners. Drag a corner handle inward to make the image smaller, or outward to make it larger. Using the corners keeps the proportions correct so it doesn't look stretched or squished. Aim for a size that's clear but not overwhelming, especially if your recipients might be reading on a phone. Large images can increase the size of your email, so scaling down a bit often helps it load faster. If the image doesn't land exactly where you expected, simply click in the body again to reposition your typing and continue composing your message. When you're happy with the placement and size, you're done. The image is embedded in the email body and ready to send. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.